Hello everybody, so this is another fish farm tour. Now you see this is Nanyang Trading Aquarium Fish Farm. It's at the new area. This is their new area. Okay, as you can see just now in the address, this area is near Khatib MRT station. Okay, so as you can see, this surrounding is very peaceful. All the buildings are newly built, and as you can see, I moved one round. Chencharu link. Okay, number 8 Chencharu link. So all of these areas are very big fish farms. Some are public and most are private. Okay, not open to the public. So right now we are going into the Nanyang fish farm, which previously was located in Sengkang Farmway. Alright, Sengkang Farmway is very popular. Previously I always go there to buy fishes. My discus was from there. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very large fish farm. They are open to public and there are aquariums selling so many of them. Okay, and look at the place. The very first tank is this flower horn with a second mouth fish. Alright. Okay, so let's go in. Okay, so this is the payment counter, same like their Seletar Farmway setup. Okay, so the left hand side is the toilet, or you need to walk all the way to the extreme end. So this is a small road where you can walk from Khatib MRT. Okay, so you can see very huge area. There are quite a lot of people, so even during weekdays. So as you can see, these are the tour of the Nanyang fish farm. Okay, the accessories, the payment counter, their staffs. Okay, they just moved here I think a few months ago, a few weeks ago. Okay, so they are selling pumps, accessories, lighting, so many aquarium accessories. Okay, these are the pumps, external filter canisters. Okay, so this is the entire tour, and the fence. As you can see, the building is quite new. Okay, it's much better building than their old building. Okay, but then the location is slightly further. Alright, so I got to walk much further as compared to the old Sengkang Farmway. You know, I just need to take one bus. Then from there I can walk over. Okay, so many things to sell. And there are tanks. Right now we're going to the tank area to show you what the tanks they have. Okay, these are the plants, the plastic plants, these are substrates. Okay, this is quite a nice, very nice planted tank. Look at that. Let me zoom in a bit. Established. Look at the plant, the water, you know, and the plant is planted aquarium. Very simple, but yeah, it's very enjoyable tank. Okay, now they got many rows of fish. Okay, before that you see some of the rocks. Okay, you can make different composition using those rocks. And these are many rows of community tank fishes, tetras, angels, sagamouth, octo. We'll come back here later. Okay, so before that, let's go into their second section. Wow, look at that, so many tanks. Okay, and here this plastic bag, later we'll zoom it in. They are selling like dedicated pairs of guppies, no breeder guppy, black Moscows, and these are the planted tank areas, stones, a lot of plants which you can select from. Got water lily, everything, floating plant, you know, easy to grow plant, difficult to grow plant. They are fighting fish section, right? And there they sell everything, even crickets, $2.50 per pack, $2.50. And they have goldfish, tetra, monster fishes, strange fishes. You know. Yeah, many of the fishes I'm not sure of their name. So if you know their name, please comment down below. Alright, and just put in the timeline. We should see what fishes you saw. So these are some of the guppies. Alright, they got shrimp, selling shrimp, snails, fighting fishes in pairs, plants, more aquatic plants. Many different tanks. So many of them. They're saying much more tanks than their old area. I think all these are new tanks. Alright, this is private area. Oops, I went to the wrong corner. So I'm not supposed to come in here. Yep, I better go out. These are silver arowanas. These are stingrays. Freshwater stingrays. This costs one pair in Singapore dollars. Yeah, some of the silver arowanas. And just fed their fishes. I can see is eating a prawn in one of the arowanas. You can choose from the many pieces. They have many arowanas to choose from. Stingrays, for those who like monster fish tank, you can buy a few pieces from them, or two stingrays with one arowana, one bottom, one the top water layer. It's just nice. Your giant tank will look nice. African tiger. Black jaguar, Burberry. Got some peacock. I think these are the monster fish area. There are some koi. It's just like 680. Koi, there are different coloration. You know, it depends on their bloodline. You know, koi for bloodlines are very important. You know, these are some more nicer silver arowanas. The color is look very bright, very healthy swimming. You can see there's a eel as well in the piping. 128 red eye silver. Sakura goldfish, $38 per piece. Yeah, they have an entire goldfish section as well. So their goldfish are very pretty. You know, if you buy more, then it'll be cheaper on them. $380 koi. So these are cheaper. So please subscribe. So this is just part 1 of the Nanyang fish farm tour. Right, subscribe. We have many more videos to go. We'll show you all of their fishes, what they have. For some peacocks. Some of your monster fish selection, you know, you can buy some of this for silver red bar. Many different types of fishes, you know, I can see from this fish farm. Xiao means big and small, different sizes. So if you want to find different types and different arrays of fishes, you can come here, right? $28. Jaguars. These are the rows. So many tanks, as you can see. Their pump system, filtration system. Must take them. Took them some time to complete. So these are filter media and their pumps, you know. They're sharing it outside. There's pump also, as you can see. Huge pump system. And each row they have a fan as well, you know. Because it's quite hot, so at least you can cool all the tank down, and also for the visitors as well. So these are bigger koi, 680. I'm not very sure what are their bloodlines. If they put some, you know, history on what bloodlines they are, then it would be great. You know, for koi you need to have different layers of weight. You know, the deeper, the more color, and the location of the koi color are also very important for koi breeder. So the longer the better the bloodline, the better the color, and the more expensive the koi. Super red spotted. I think this will grow to very big sizes, so you might consider some partial monster fish tank. A very nice red orangey color. Yeah, so when choosing your fish, you can see, you know, how they swim, whether other fishes are they sick, how they breathe, how they react to you, and then their eyes, you know, they must be alert. You know, if the fish should be fast swimming type and you found that it's swimming slow, then something wrong with the water. But as what I can see, all the water down here are very good. You know, so right now we come to the goldfish section. I think this should be small reelkins. You know, they're very active. Look at that. Of the red, different colorations. You know, you can choose from them. $28. So these are the smaller pieces, but also very healthy. Look at that. That's a very nice piece. Reelkin. Yeah, look at how they swim about, you know, like swimming actively or at one side. Red cap oranda at the back. These are some of the black orandals. The goldfish will get even nicer when it grows to bigger size, to giant size. Like. So actually goldfish can grow to quite a huge size. Later they are saying some very large goldfish as well. That will bring there. Okay, so this should be some ranchos, I think. Ranchos. It's quite difficult to differentiate between rancho and lion head. So it might be lion head. You know, the back need to be lesser. You know, because some of them they got bigger hump, some smaller hump, but they're all very healthy. You know, goldfish. Yeah, you can consider buying all these. You know, black colored, very nice. You know, all are healthy looking. You know, and the fins, everything are very good. No, there's no feed rod. Okay, giant aranda. So you got many varieties of fishes to choose from. Actually, I was very excited to come to Nanyang. Yeah. So this is a lot of hobbies, aquarists come here to buy fishes. Fishes equipment. Yeah. So please subscribe. Okay. If you see the video until now so far, so please subscribe for the next video part 2. And I'll be also creating other different videos as well. So thank you for watching. Okay, so subscribe and see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.